Every week, contractors throw money in the trash. Not on purpose, they just don't know what they're buying. Here's what I mean. Most guys grab a 6-inch bimetal Sawzall blade off the rack. Looks fine. Cuts okay for a minute. Then it's done. So they grab another one and another. By Friday, they've burned through 5 Sawzall blades on one demo job and spent $17. One blade would have done it, and it would have cost less. Here's what nobody tells you at the supply house. Blade thickness matters more than brand. That cheap bimetal Sawzall blade, 0.050 inches thick, hits a nail, it kinks. Game over. You just turned a $3 blade into a paperweight. The Patriot demo blade is 0.062 inches thick, 12 thousandths of an inch. Sounds small. It's not. That extra thickness is the difference between a Sawzall blade that survives nail-embedded demo lumber and one that folds like a dollar bill. The TPI matters too. Those cheap bimetal Sawzall blades are running 18 teeth per inch. Great for finish cuts, completely wrong for demo work. You want 5/8 TPI on a demo blade, aggressive. Rips through framing lumber and nails without binding. That's what the Patriot 9 inches, 5/8 TPI, 0.062 thick, $6.29. Run the math. 5 cheap Sawzall blades at $3.39. That's $17. 2 Patriot demo blades, $12.58. You already saved $4 on one job, one day. Now scale that. Demo crew, 5 days a week. You're talking $20 a week in wasted Sawzall blades. That's $1,000 a year going in the dumpster because the blade rack at the big box store is designed to look cheap, not cut cheap. The Patriot 9-inch demo blade is at punchlistsupply.com. Link in the description. We also carry the 6-inch at $479 and the 12-inch at $719 if you're running longer strokes on heavy framing. Buy the right blade once. Stop buying the wrong one 3 times. What Sawzall blade are you running on demo jobs right now? Drop it below. I'm curious what crews are actually using out there.